Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. What I'm sharing here is based on my personal experience using this service. Today, we're taking a closer look at One.com, a comprehensive platform offering a variety of online services. From domain registration and website building to email hosting and online marketing tools, One.com aims to be a one-stop shop for your digital presence. Their website, found at One.com, provides a centralized hub for managing all these interconnected services. This platform distinguishes itself by attempting to streamline the process of establishing an online presence, particularly for individuals and small businesses. They offer various packages designed to cater to different needs, from basic website hosting to more advanced e-commerce solutions. One.com emphasizes ease of use, claiming to provide an intuitive interface that simplifies complex tasks. One of the key features highlighted by One.com is their website builder. This tool allows users to create websites without requiring extensive coding knowledge. They offer a range of templates and customization options, enabling users to personalize their online presence. Whether you're building a simple portfolio website or a more complex online store, their website builder aims to provide the necessary tools. In addition to website building, One.com offers domain registration services, allowing users to secure their preferred web address. They also provide email hosting, which is essential for professional communication. Furthermore, they offer a suite of online marketing tools designed to help businesses reach a wider audience. These tools encompass features such as search engine optimization, SEO, assistance, and social media integration. By bundling these services together, One.com seeks to provide a convenient and cost-effective solution for managing your online presence. However, it's important to consider your specific requirements and compare their offerings with other available options before making a decision. This is just my personal experience, so research and due diligence are always recommended. Be sure to check the description for relevant links, and thanks for watching.